Okay guys, got the LED lights hooked up, so now I got some light in here. There's a big difference. Just have it hooked up to my screw gun there, an older battery. Not very good. The LED lights I have are 12 to 24 volts, so it'll handle 18 volts no problem. But yeah, just getting there. Makes a big difference with the LED lights in here. So I got that guy going. It's pretty cold out again today. I think it's minus 35 with the wind chill. Yeah, let's see if we can that's how it is without the LED lights. Bought these guys off of Amazon, so they're aluminum, but they're held in there with springs. Let's see if I can get that. So yeah. Those guys, it does make a difference. Sorry, finger. Alright. Let's see if I can get this thing hooked back up again. At least I don't have to work in the dark anymore. Alright, thanks for watching guys. Sorry for the shaky video.